I'm the founder of Thor Drinks. We started the company a couple of years ago to bring a new adult soft drink to the market. What we're looking to provide here is a drink that more easily equates with what we enjoy perhaps in our choice of alcohol drinks. Crisp, dry flavours, impactful branding and all of those things that seem to go out of the window when it comes to soft drinks. So we've got 4 flavours in the range. Thor Original, which is dry apple. Thor Ice, which is apple with mint. Thor Fire, which is apple with ginger and chili. And finally, Thor Thunder, which is our evolution of the energy drink. It's got the same caffeine as a Red Bull, but a much more natural and cleaner flavour. So do come down and give them a try. Where we're up to in terms of the company itself, started the company 2 years ago. We're just in the last moments of a Crowdcube campaign at the moment. So we're not quite there yet, and we've got a few days to go. And one thing I would ask, once you've tried and enjoyed the drinks, if you could make a little bit of noise for us on Twitter, or indeed on the Crowdcube forum itself, if people are conversant, I'm sure many of you are, with the Crowdcube website. What we'd love is a bit of noise, and a bit of investment as well would be great. Come and enjoy the drinks. Thanks very much indeed.